Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Beniz and I do all things fitness. Most of the time it's activewear reviews like this one. So extra welcome to you, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. A few videos back, I promised to talk about navigation dupes because I ordered them off of AliExpress. I will leave all the links down below. Honestly, the dupes are so similar to the originals. The original navigation leggings, they're already a pretty good price point. So if you do want to go and support them, do it. I've done it as well. I've bought tons of leggings and shorts. But if you want a cheaper option and a few more variations in colors and you don't want to spend $50 per legging, then AliExpress is a great option. And I'm going to show you the differences between the leggings because I have the originals and I have the dupes, and it's so cool. They also have shorts, which I've already reviewed in my biker shorts review, which I will also link to, so go check that out. I'm probably not going to touch on those today. Let's get into the differences. Navigation. I actually did a review of the navigation leggings, which I will also link to. I overall just like them. It's a very stretchy, very flattering pair of leggings. They seem to be pretty high quality. Most of them are squat proof. I can't guarantee it, but at least the darker colors have been squat proof for me, and they just feel good. The one thing I did complain about was that the waistband was a little bit too tight on me, at least in the black color. I thought that the logo was embroidered into the legging, but it's not. Some type of printing on this one. It just looks very professional, and I don't think it's going anywhere, to be honest. So I just want to point that out. And then we have the AliExpress ones. Pretty close, huh? Both of them have the contouring under the booty. The fabric feels slightly different, just tiny bit. And there's very small differences to them. So the ankles, for instance, the dupes are a little bit longer. That doesn't make or break the leggings. It's just not. It's more about the fit, about the quality, the squat proofness. I got this black color in both the dupes and originals so that I can really compare. The only difference is that the dupe has the contouring on the side, which the original does not have in this particular legging, but they do have contouring on other leggings. All right, so let's get into the actual try on. Here are the forest green leggings. Very nice color. It goes well with white as well. And like you can see, the contouring is on the side, and we also have the booty contouring. It is sitting a little bit too high on me. Obviously, I have pulled these up a lot, so that could just be me. The waist is a little bit more comfortable than the original ones, at least the black speckled pair that I have. And I wonder if it's just a color thing, that some colors are just tighter than others. I don't know. And I kind of roll this down. I do experience the fabric bunching a little bit here, but honestly, the same thing happens on the original ones. More than anything, these are just very similar. Crazy stretchy fabric. And they're almost full length on me. Overall, I'm a fan. And they make your butt look just as good as the original. I know that Navigation had a huge restocking yesterday, and I know that they sell out really quickly. So if you weren't able to get your hands on your favorite pair, then I think AliExpress is probably a good option for you because you can still get the same look, but just not get the logo in the back. The price point is so good. It's $12 to $13. I think it kind of changes depending on, for both the leggings and the shorts. So that's basically 4 pairs that you can get from AliExpress for the same price as Navigation. So, however, you will have to wait at least 2 weeks to get your products. So that's one thing to keep in mind, but I think it's totally worth the wait. If you're curious about my t-shirt, first of all, who doesn't love everything but the bagel spice from Trader Joe's? That changed my life. But I got this t-shirt off a seller on Etsy, which I will link to. Highly recommend it. The fabric is super soft. It's ring spun cotton, I think. Got it in a size small. They're all unisex sizes, so just size down, I guess, for women if you want a little tight fit. I just did a little knot here. You can also crop it. You can do whatever you want. It's super cute and I don't know, I like it. And here's the black speckled. This all just like fits and looks and feels the same as any other of the leggings, both original and dupe. Just as stretchy, same type of bunching here. Maybe the placement of the booty contouring is a little bit better. And I'm pretty sure they're swap proof. The waist on this one is actually a little bit better than the original, to be honest. Here's the original, and for some reason this color is just very, very tight, while this one has a little bit more room in it, which is more comfortable for, you know, someone that doesn't have a flat stomach. Side-by-side comparison between the dupe and the original. And honestly, they look very, very similar. Like I said, the dupe is a little bit darker. You can also kind of see that the waist is like pretty much the same. Maybe the dupes are slightly smaller. There is a little bit of a contouring here. I don't know if you can see it. The dupes have it as well. The contouring under the butt, very similar to the original. The only other difference is that the logo is not there. I can't really complain. You know, you have to be a little bit careful when you buy things off of AliExpress because you don't know what the quality is going to be like. But this store, I think it's called Monster Fitness Store, generally all of their things are pretty good. They've been rated really, really high. So what I would do if you are interested in getting other things, stick with the stores that have really good reviews. Make sure you read the reviews too and look at the photos that people have posted to make sure that it is like what you expect it to be. But AliExpress is a jungle of just very identical things, but you just need to make sure, do your research before you buy these things. So I did also get the shorts from AliExpress. I got them in 2 different colors. The black one was perfectly fine, looks probably just like the original ones, and the beige one, a little bit see-through. You'll see it in the video that I did about shorts. It's see-through. I can't wear this by itself, but I could wear it underneath dresses or underneath a long t-shirt. In that case, it's totally fine if you just want to have something. And I'm assuming it has to do with the fact that it's a light color and not the quality per se, because the black ones from AliExpress were fun. By the way, all of the things that I tried on and talked about, they're all in the size medium, and I do experience the sizes being very similar between the original and the dupe. But yeah, just want to let you know. I hope that was helpful, and please let me know if you do end up getting these dupes off of AliExpress. I will also add my measurements in the description box so that you can kind of compare to see how it might fit you. I've gotten a lot of good feedback from people having a very similar body type as me. Maybe this body type isn't represented enough out there, and I'm glad to be able to provide you with that information. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.